my heart. I was drunk, I was gone, but don't make it right. I promise there were no feelings involved. She said, "Boy, tell me honestly, was it real or just for show?" Yeah. She said, "Save your apologies, baby, I just gotta know how has this been going on? You've been creeping around on me, how you calling me, baby? How has this been going on? You've been acting so shady, I've been feeling it lately." You've been creeping around on me, are you calling me, baby? How has this been going on? You've been acting so shady,